Glowing skin is something that we all want, especially in this day and age of heavy pollution. Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Bestie. Are you on a never-ending journey to find solutions for shining skin? Maybe it's time to ditch the traditional makeup routine and revamp your diet. The right balance of foods can give you enough minerals and essential nutrients for healthy skin, which can also help fight off pimples and reduce signs of aging. Skin-nourishing foods contain natural ingredients like vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants that eliminate toxins, making it look healthy and glowing. Wondering which foods to add to the grocery list for glowing skin? Berries? Green vegetables? Avocado? Watch till the end to find out. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries top the list for being one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods. Did you know that they're purple in color due to the presence of a plant compound which is indicative of high antioxidant content? This also helps fight the early signs of aging, like fine lines. Being a powerful superfood, they protect heart health, which improves circulation, allowing your skin to get rid of toxins and free radicals. Mix them up in a salad or blitz into a smoothie, they can be easily included in any diet plan. Just 1 cup of blueberries every day will deliver enough oxygen and nutrients to the skin to make it glow. You can even apply half a cup of mashed blueberries and yogurt as a face mask. What's your favorite skin cleansing homemade face mask? Share with us in the comment section. Number 2. Salmon. Who doesn't love eating salmon? Besides being a delicious lean protein, it's also a miracle food when it comes to glowing skin. Along with essential fats, it contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are the essential nutrients for maintaining healthy skin. These acids help in deeply moisturizing the skin. Did you know that these can protect your skin from excessive sun exposure better than sunscreen? Salmon also has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps the body in combating skin-damaging free radicals by producing antioxidants. Along with being an excellent food for the skin, they're also the perfect brain food. It helps in improving cognitive function. Seems like you can never go wrong with salmon. Number 3. Avocado. This unique fruit mainly consists of healthy fats and carbs. Given the insane list of health benefits, it has become a superfood. The absence of unhealthy saturated fats, packed with a variety of nutrients and essential vitamins, mainly helps in skin protection. You can say goodbye to all the anti-aging products you've been subjecting your skin to and grab an avocado. With 0 cholesterol and sodium, the antioxidants will make your skin look nourished. Air pollution is the main cause for dull skin, but eating 1 avocado a day will hydrate your skin. This happens because it contains compounds that naturally exfoliates the skin and helps get rid of dead skin cells. Vitamin E moisturizes the skin while soothing chapped lips. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach has some miraculous skin benefits. Loaded with vitamins, magnesium, folate, and beta-carotene, it helps in repairing skin damage. From whipping up a mask or adding it in your green juice, this leafy vegetable is good for skin, hair, and tissues as well. Oily skin is prone to acne. Eating spinach regularly will get rid of dirt and oil from within the skin pores. The antioxidants in this vegetable help in fighting off signs of aging while protecting the skin from harmful UV rays. If oily skin is not your problem but dry skin is, then eating spinach will clarify the skin while minimizing dark circles and reducing inflammation. Combining spinach, gram flour, milk, and honey makes for an awesome face mask for glowing skin. Number 5. Kale. Kale is more than just a short-lived food trend. This green vegetable is packed with the goodness of vitamin C and antioxidants. It can improve vision along with being the secret to shiny hair and glowing skin. Eating kale in salad or as a smoothie will make your skin look younger and healthier. The antioxidants present in it work as a wonderful face cleanser and skin detoxifier. The collagen fibers present in your skin need vitamin C to repair and stay healthy. Low vitamin C will cause the skin to lose collagen and make it look dull. Vitamin K is essential for getting rid of those stubborn dark circles. When applied topically, kale juice can also get rid of bruises, stretch marks, and scars. Number 6. Coconut water. Coconut water is a refreshing summer drink that replenishes electrolytes. We're all well versed with the benefits of this oil. Its water is also packed with various types of vitamins that play a major role in glowing skin. B-complex, an important compound for getting rid of toxins, is also found in it. An anti-aging compound called cytokinin helps maintain a youthful glow, while the vitamin C content helps build up collagen that keeps the skin taut. It would be ideal to swap the regular packaged fruit juice with a glass of fresh coconut water. Number 7. Sweet potato. These sweet, starchy roots are a great source of manganese, vitamins, niacin, and protein amongst a host of other nutrients. Packed with high-quality antioxidants, they're a great replacement for regular potatoes. They have compounds that protect the body from free radicals and toxins. Eating sweet potatoes will fight chronic illnesses, heart disease, and even aging. This superfood for the skin is rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A. These two compounds are vital for skin formation. Vitamin A in creams and foods works as an anti-aging product. The light orange tinge present in sweet potatoes is because of beta-carotene that also helps the skin maintain a healthy-looking tan. Number 8. Carrots. Carrots are the ultimate healthy food. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, along with being an ultimate source of antioxidants. All these plant-based compounds are potent and help the skin in eliminating free radicals that cause skin damage. If there are too many free radicals accumulated in your body, then it causes some real harm. The combination of beta-carotene and vitamin A helps with skin firming, elasticity, and clarity. Vitamin C is found in abundance in carrots that smooths out wrinkles by increasing collagen production, making your skin look brighter. Carotenoids present in carrots remove sun damage and protect the skin against harsh UV rays, making your skin healthier than ever. Looking to make your skin healthier from within? Then here are 8 tips to help you out. Now back to foods for glowing skin. Number 9. Oats. Oats are whole grains known for being intensely dense in fiber content. Apart from helping in weight loss, it has amazing skin benefits as well. There is a very simple connection between gut health and clear skin. Having high fiber foods will reduce inflammation in the gut that will clear out the skin from any acne or pimples. Oats are also known for minimizing the random spikes in blood sugar levels that contribute to different skin problems. They strengthen the skin tissues from within, making it smoother and more youthful looking. Along with slowing down the signs of aging, they also help in retaining skin elasticity. Homemade oatmeal masks are a great solution for getting rid of flaky, dry skin and creating even tone. Number 10. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are enjoyed for their nutty taste and buttery texture. Apart from being a delicious topping for salads, ice creams, and other desserts, these nuts are energy-dense and highly nutritious. They're known for strengthening the immune system and eliminating pesky dark circles. They contain selenium, which aids in reversing cell damage, brightening up the skin. Selenium-rich diets protect the skin from developing skin cancer, age spots, and sun damage. It also contains glutathione, which helps fight off free radicals responsible for damaging skin collagen and making it look saggier. Just eating 1 to 3 Brazil nuts a day is enough for you to have glowing skin in no time. Number 11. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contains a high dose of antioxidants that fight off skin damage and protect it from any potential harm caused by strong UV rays. You may have heard about moisturizers with cacao in it. It is the primary ingredient in dark chocolate responsible for smoothing out the skin. Did you know that cocoa beans are an edible source of antioxidants? They're also packed with fatty acids responsible for skin nourishing. Stress dulls down skin health. Eating a couple of squares of dark chocolate acts like a mood booster by cutting out stress and helping skin glow. Best eaten as a healthy snack, dark chocolate is always a good idea. Number 12. Oysters. Oysters are filled with skin-repairing minerals, especially zinc. Collagen is the support for your skin, and it's important it remains strong and taut for youthful glowing skin. On a cellular level, zinc also contains antioxidant properties that reverses cell damage and protects the skin from early aging. Low in calorie and loaded with nutrients and healthy fats like omega-3, oysters will give you glowing skin. Skin repair and regeneration can only be done with the help of zinc. That also impacts cell functioning. These minerals in oysters also function as an antioxidant that protects the collagen-producing cells from free radicals. Acne flare-ups can also be solved by eating oysters because it has miraculous anti-inflammatory properties. Was your favorite food on the list? What are some other tips and tricks for glowing skin? Tell us all about it in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.